What is it about the Ancient Protectors?
Well, all three are warmed up, so I'm going to warm up some more.
Okay.
Because number 7 is right down here. Because that's not as empty, because I took it right here. And find another Ancient Protector to warm up.
What do you know about Ancient Protectors?
I don't know, but they have to warm up for a long time. Because Ancient Protectors are hard to warm up. I don't know how about that.
Are they hard to warm up because they're trees?
No, they're not trees. They're not trees.
What are they?
They're sorts of... They just look like animals or stuff. Let's get this guy.
Are they good
Let's
or
get that little
mean?
guy.
Are they mean or nice?
Boom! That's that little guy. Let's go over here and fleece him and take all his money.
You take all the money from that deer?
He has money.
Okay.
Oh, no. He's all done.
Alright.
That's that.
Okay.
Oh, let's get that little bunny. Ooh. Boom. Blow him up. Let's find another Ancient Protector to warm up.
Ooh.
Maybe more. But let me find it.
Alright, I think everybody's getting the point now.